Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at our results from Kahoot, our big quiz last week. Some people did very, very well in it. We're also going to look at our Gaeilge. We're going to be taking a look at how to download Duolingo, and we are going to be looking at today's work as well. So first of all, we'll take a look at the quiz results. So first of all, I want to say well done to everyone who took part. The questions were hard, and it was actually nearly impossible to get 100% in it unless you had a good day and a bad day, and you missed school, and it wasn't bad. So, if you got 100% there, you'd be a little bit crazy. But well done, everyone who did really, really well in the test. You can see lots of people getting really, really high scores here. The one problem I'm having is with people like unimpressed face. I don't know who that is. So maybe if I'm okay with you giving yourself creative names, let's call it. But if you can give me some kind of clue, like initials or something, let me know who you are. That would be much appreciated. So well done, Posh. Well done, Ronan. Top of the pile here, doing very, very well. And we can see the top 10 there with lots of animals apparently doing very well in my class. Okay, let's take a look at today's Gaeilge work first of all before we take a look at how to download Duolingo. Okay, so inniu Táimid ag déanamh ag caint bhí an aimsir. So an aimsir an Éireann, and of course the aimsir an Éireann is gohintach when we're not allowed to go out. But let's take a look at some of our phrases here. So being and ní being. Well, being comes from the verb to be, but it's a tense we don't really have in English. So it translates to do be or does be, like the weather does be good um in Ireland. So it's something that happens continuously. Okay, being and ní being. So being, it does be, ní being, it does not be. Okay, being sé fluck, tirum. Well, fluck is when there's ishka on you, fluck is wet, and tirum is when níl aon ishka on you, when you're dry. Being sé te, nor being sé green verb being sé te, hot, for. Notice no I when you're talking about cold. And bug. Bug is like mild or calm. Gwafer, windy. Greenver, sunny. Ceolver, nar bíonn sé fuór bíonn sé ceolver agus ní féidir leat féach an bóthair, you can't see the road. Ceolver means foggy. Ag curbáistí, we should know that at this stage. Raining, ag cursnachta, snowing. Níos cho, so we have te, níos cho. Hot, hotter. For, níos fóra. Notice te comes chow T-E-O and for becomes for add an E. Okay, hotter, colder. Scommels to spare. So scommel, cloud. If it's cloudy, it's scommelock. So scommels to spare. And sturmacaen. So being sturmacaen. Okay, let's take a look at when and where. Okay. Irit on Givra. Well, Givra is when Nullag is. Givra is winter. On Sarah, well, it's not quite Sarah yet, but it feels like it. Sarah is summer. Irit on Or, so on For is autumn. On Arig is on Tarok is spring. So you could say being shaped fluck irit on For. It's wet in autumn. An blian fad all year. Well, being sé bug an blian fad. It's mild all year round. Beagnach gach lá every day. Beagnach nearly, so nearly every day. Well, which one of these suits? Maybe scommel to spare in Ireland. There's nearly every day there's clouds in the sky. Deganá, normally. Normally, well done if you knew that. Deganá, normally. Gomininic is often. Am gaham, that's one of our favourite phrases I hear my class say a lot. Am gaham from time to time. A nish is a rish. A nish is now, a rish is then or now and again, so now and again. A nish is a rish. Oranta, sometimes, and gohanav, rarely, something that's rare. Okay, so what you need to do there is you need to make, well, 5 sentences using these. So use different ones. So you could say Bíonn sé gwafer deganá, or ní bíonn scamal sa spare go minic. It's rare that there's clouds in the sky. Maybe that's a bit of an exaggeration. Okay, well, try your best there, guys, with those 5 questions. Now, let's take a look at how to download Duolingo. Okay, so you would go to your either Google Play Store if you're on your phones, Google Play, or I think it's the App Store on the Apple system. So you go there, you type in Duolingo, and you click on Duolingo Learn Languages for free, and then you just install it. If you are, and then it'll come up once you've installed it and opened it up. You'll get the app and um you'll be able to open it up from there, no problem. If you're on laptop, you can just go to Duolingo.com. It'll ask you to sign up. Sign up is for free, and then it'll bring you in. You choose Irish as the language you want to learn, and then so you have a choice here. You can start at the basics or take a placement test. I recommend taking a placement test, even though it's quite hard, because you should be able to answer some of the questions, and that'll give you more choices where you want to start off with, and you might be able to skip over some of the really, really easy stuff if that's too easy for you. If not, that's fine as well. You can start off into it if you want to start on basics. That one is fine, but you might find it very, very easy and boring. So it's better that you give yourself a challenge by taking the placement test. So let's quick look what it looks like. So if we're doing the basics, which is a boy? Well, Farah is a man, Colleen is a girl, Buko is a boy. And it goes like that, guys. So you keep going through them, and then there's a quiz every few rounds. If you could spend about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes each day on this, I think we could really get a lot of practice in under Gaeilge. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you mind yourself. Any questions, don't be afraid to ask me, and see you soon.